Let's face it, estimation is hard. Whether it's gathering requirements from stakeholders, assessing risk, or reworking estimates when plans change, these processes can take days, or worse, weeks, that you simply don't have. We're here to make it easier. For almost 45 years, Slim Estimate has been the leading estimation tool of Fortune 1000 companies and governments across the globe. Leveraging the power of QSM's database of over 14,000 completed projects and proven mathematical models, you can generate defensible estimates within minutes and quickly revise them without tedious rework. Slim Estimate provides powerful analytical views comparing your estimate to your history and similar industry trends, letting you quickly identify risk and propose a more viable plan. You can also see real-time trade-offs like adding more people or reducing scope. Having these analytics at your fingertips can help you negotiate achievable goals, set realistic expectations, and communicate more effectively with colleagues and customers. You don't have to be an expert to get started. QSM's customer service is unmatched. We work with you every step of the way with personal instruction, coaching, and unlimited support. Contact us today and schedule your free demo to see how easy it is to get the results so many Slim customers enjoy.